Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shelia and today we'll be doing an unboxing of the new iPhone 12 Pro Max in the Pacific Blue color. I currently have the iPhone 8 Plus in 256 gigabytes, so I decided to go with the same storage size this year. And I'll also be showing you guys the accessories that I got, including the power adapter, the screen protector, as well as the case from Amazon. So if you want to see all of that, please keep on watching. Alright, so that wraps it up for my video. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are getting an iPhone as well, let me know which color you're getting, and I'll see you in the next one.